This module is going to focus on protecting human subjects. Ideally, you're going to try to complete these assignments by Sunday prior to our next class. However, I know we're starting a day late, so if you need the extra time, then feel free to take it. The goal of this module is that you are going to be able to discuss human subjects protections, and you're also going to complete the city certification process. The activities and assignments are listed here. You're going to complete the assigned reading, watch a video lecture, complete the city human subjects training, submit the certificates of completion, and then also prepare for next week's class by reading chapters 1 and 2 in the textbook. So, Chapter 6 corresponds to the research ethics section that supports this module. I think there's really enough information in the training in the video where you can afford to skim this chapter, but it is there as a resource for you. Here is a brief video to watch that gives you some background. Also, I want you to look at Fresno State's IRB page, which is linked here, and you have a little bit of information about how Fresno State's IRB was formed. The next page are the instructions for registering and completing the City Human Subjects training. You need to complete each module with 80% or better. So these show the step-by-step instructions on how to get logged on. Make sure you save your username and password. Here you're going to submit 2 items. The completion report, that report shows the scores for each module quiz so that I can verify that you have 80% or better. And then there's also a completion certificate. So you're going to submit both of those documents here. And finally, preparing for next week's class, please read chapters 1 and 2 prior to our next class. Good luck.